Yo, what is up, guys? And today, I think the new Subway Surfers game just dropped. It's right here. It's called Subway Surfers City. I pre-registered it so I could get it. Enough. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I make a new video. And yeah, this just the new Subway Surfers. It has way better animations and way better things. Now you can actually upgrade your characters, which that's really fun. And since the first one, it doesn't have much animations, as you can see. Like, you could already see it's more realistic. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to go to my friend's channel called Joshua Gasana. Just search that up on YouTube and go subscribe to his channel. He's trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year. If you could do that, I'll thank you so much. And anyways, enough yapping. Let's get into the video. So let's run. Okay, so yeah, you see more animation. Like, the dog is going crazy. More animation, like when you jump and hit the ground, it just does. Oh wait, hold up, that's actually clean. More animations than the first one. Like, I can actually say that. I get a map. Nice. This game's actually fun. It's not way better than the first one. I mean, the first one is iconic. The first one is way more iconic than like this one. But now this one is actually really fun too. Can't even lie, like this one's actually fun. I didn't know this was coming out until I saw in the Google Play Store. No, not the Google Play Store, the App Store, that you could pre-register, I think that's how you say it. So you can like download it first than anyone else, and I just died. So you can get it first than anyone else, but I don't know if this one's like no ad. I don't know if this one you need like keyboard, like, oh my god, what am I saying? I'm studying so hard. I don't know if this one you need like internet to play, because like the other Subway Surfers, you don't need internet to play. But let's see if this game is way better than the normal one. By the animations, I could say this is way better than the first one. But like, the first one is nostalgia. Let me just lock in right now because I have 6,000. Yeah, you guys should like download this game. It's really fun. I don't know if it's in the App Store right now. I think it is. It's in the App Store, Google Play Store. You could download it and anything. I don't know if it's in the Amazon Play Store. So you guys might check that out and just comment on this video. It's going faster. I have 7,000 more. I might be the first person to like make a video about this game. Dang it. Oh. Okay, the guy literally just like started bulking, bro. The police guy just started bulking, bro. I think we can we get rewards. I don't know if the first game does this. Servers, we can obviously upgrade Jake. Upgrade him again. Okay guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please download this game. It's really fun. If you want, you don't have to, but for me, in my opinion, it's really fun. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.